Hello everyone, today I'm gonna talk about 30 rainforest animals names with picture. Number 1. Jaguars. 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 Number 2. Gorillas. 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 Number 3. Leopards. 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 Number 4. Anaconda. 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 Number 5. Tigers. Tigers. Number 6. Mandrills. Mandrills. Number 7. Baboons. Baboons. Number 8. Chimpanzees. Chimpanzees. Number 9. Orangutan. Orangutan. Number 10. Toucans. Toucans. Number 11. Crocodiles. Crocodiles. Number 12. Electric eel. Electric eel. Number 13. Scorpions. Scorpions. Number 14. Dragonflies. Dragonflies. Number 15. Catfish. Catfish. Number 16. Okapi. Okapi. Number 17. Coconut crab. Coconut crab. Number 18. Mosquitos. Mosquitos. Number 19. Bass. Bass. Number 20. Ants. Ants. Number 21. Rabbits. Rabbits. Number 22. Raccoons. Raccoons. Number 23. Lemurs. Lemurs. Number 24. Tayra. Tayra. Number 25. Parrots. Parrots. Number 26. Hornbill. Hornbill. Number 27. Tree frogs. Tree frogs. Number 28. Kingfishers. Kingfishers. Number 29. Turtles. 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 Number 30. Moths. 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 Thanks for watching, guys. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Then do like it and don't forget to subscribe this channel.